How to upload a listing on Etsy. Now in order to upload a listing of products on your Etsy shop, you just simply need to open the website of etsy.com/sell. Then you need to have a seller account and a shop in Etsy in order to upload a listing at very first. Then if you log into that shop account, you will see this option of shop manager. You need to tap into the shop manager, and after opening the shop manager section, you will see something like this, where you will see an option of add a listing in your Etsy. You need to tap to add listing, and after that you can select product images. You can describe the product, select and make sections to describe your products, and also change the color and customizations for that listing. And that is how you list a product, but having a seller account and a shop is a must to do this. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.